Well, GW got all sorts of sneaky today. These Horus Heresy Thursdays were supposed to be a April thing only. At least that's what they said originally. But surprise, it's May, and we have another Horus Heresy Thursday preview. And they kind of snuck it in while they're doing these Warhammer Fest 2022 reveals. So very interesting. So let's take a closer look at this Thursday's reveal for Horus Heresy. All right, so we're back at it with another Horus Heresy reveal. And before I forget, I'm John, and this is Dice Paper Miniatures. Thanks for checking out this video. So this one is actually really interesting. It's for the world-ending Dreadwing with Marduk Sedras. Yeah, again, April's over, but here we are for Horus Heresy in Thursday. So we're chomping at the bit to show off loads of goodies for Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, this Saturday at Warhammer Fest 2022. But before that, we're taking a trip to Caliban to meet one of the Dark Angel's most feared commanders, Marduk Sedras. It's got some great detailing. The pose does feel a little static, but again, great detailing. And the paint job, I think, looks really on point for this particular model. So yeah, Sedras is one of the Dreadwing, a corps dedicated to the total annihilation of enemies, cultures, and even planets with terrifying weaponry, and one of the oldest space marines alive. He is a veteran of the Unification Wars who fought in the presence of the Emperor himself and inspires excellence in all Dark Angels who march under his banner. Among the many honors earned in his long centuries of service, Marduk is known as the Eschaton, one who has presided over the death of an entire world. This experience served him well during the Thramas Crusade, when the Dark Angel set out to purge the traitor Night Lords from the Eastern Fringe. There he annihilated the 8th Legion force at the cost of Ath Capital World's human population. Clad in a relic suit of cataphracti Terminator armor known as the Regula of the Shattered Scepter, Sedras is a dominating presence on the battlefield, carrying a massive power sword dubbed the Death of Worlds. His experience allows him to exploit weaknesses in any legion he comes up against, sharing this wisdom with nearby Dark Angels and his retinue of Knights Cenobium. This model is packed with the First Legion iconography, marking him out as a trusted member of the Lion L. Johnson's inner circle, and he strikes a suitably gothic figure for such a venerable commander. This resin miniature continues the line of stunning Horus Heresy characters from Forge World. That kind of explains why the pose is a little more stiff, being a resin cast. Okay, that's not always the case, but it tends to be, it seems like, at least from Forge World. Will be joining their new plastic brethren throughout the release of Warhammer the Horus Heresy's next edition. Okay, so they snuck this one in, but I think that's mostly because it is a Forge World release, and they're just playing off the Horus Heresy Thursday thing that's already been going on. But yeah, it's a cool sculpt, great details, a little static on the posing, but it does give a full showing of all of his different honors. That sword is pretty gnarly looking for sure, and his pistol is also very cool. Yeah, it's a sweet model. I think if you're playing Horus Heresy, especially Dark Angel players, you'll probably want to pick this one up. But yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Are you digging the vibe of this model? Are you a Dark Angel player? Does this fit what you would expect this well-known veteran model to look like? Yeah, love your thoughts on that in the comments below. Well, again, this is technically not a Warhammer Fest 2022 reveal. I'm not even sure if it says Horus Heresy Thursday, so I guess it's in that category. If you ever search my playlist, you'll find it in there. That's it for this one. As always, if you've enjoyed this content and haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, sharing this content with your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button. That really does help with the growth of the channel, as well as just being greatly appreciated. Well, that's it for this one. As always, I hope you're doing well. Be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.